You have 3 ways to delete any layer in Autocad. Have you copied and pasted a few things from other drawings into your drawing, and now you have several unused layers that you cannot delete? Yes, I know how it feels. I'm the lazy Arquitecto with time-saving Autocad tutorials and tools for architects. If you are unable to get rid of layers by deleting or purging, here are 3 ways to disassociate these layers from your drawing so they can be purged and deleted once for all. Are you ready? So, the first way to delete a layer that cannot be deleted, like the following, is to use the purge command. So let me show you how to purge layers in Autocad. We'll use the purge command, but in this case we're gonna purge only the blocks because the problem probably is a layer inside a block. So let's purge the blocks. Let's now say asterisk, and to not verify the names, and as you can see 3 blocks deleted. Now if we try again to delete this layer, you can see that your unused layer was removed. Awesome. Now what happened if this method didn't work for you? Well, this is why I have a second alternative. So let's do it. So let's say that you know you're not using this layer, A equipment. And if you try to delete it, as you can see, we have the same message. So let me show you how to find hidden layers in Autocad. Well, what if instead of spending time trying to find this hidden layer, we let Autocad search the drawing for that equipment layer that you want to get rid of, and make Autocad move those objects in that layer over to another layer. So that way we can get rid of your unused layer. So for this, let's draw a line really quick, and let's change this object to a layer that we want to remove. In this case, the A equipment layer. So let's now draw one more line, and this would be in the layer that you want to keep. For this example, I'll just leave it on layer 0. So let's use the lay merge command and press enter. Let's select the object on layer to merge. So I'm gonna select this one because this equipment layer is the layer that I want to get rid of, and press enter. Now let's select the target layer. As you can see over here, it's gonna be layer 0 in my case. It asks, Autocad is asking, do you wish to continue? Yes, of course. And as you can see, the A equipment layer was removed, and we could keep the objects in our drawing. Now, what if these 2 methods didn't work for you? Well, let me show you the third method or alternative, and this is the strongest method. For this example, my unused layer is the A lighting layer that I cannot get rid of. So I'm gonna place this text in the layer that I want to get rid of, which is the A lighting. And this is just to show you that you need to be careful with this third method. So let's use the lay del command. And if we select the layer that we want to get rid of and press enter and click yes to continue, you can see that it says 1 layer deleted, but also your objects on that layer were removed. So, like I said, be careful with that and only use this third method if you are 100% sure there are no objects on that current layer. So, which solution worked for you? Let me know in the comments below.